Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to restart your iPhone quickly and easily. Let's get right into it. To restart your iPhone X or later, press and hold the side button, that's the power button, and either of the volume button until the power off slider appears, just like this. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. Once it's off, press and hold the side button again until you see the Apple logo. For iPhone 8 or earlier, press and hold the top side button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. Once it's off, press and hold the top button again until the Apple logo appears. And that's it. Your iPhone is now restarted. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure you like and subscribe for more quick tips. See you later. Bye.